Lecture 1 Introduction.
Hello students. Hope you people are doing fine.
Yes, sir. We are doing great. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. So, let's get started with our lecture. What is the agenda for today's class? I think we are going to start a new series of lectures titled as Political Science Simplified.
Really, sir, that would be great. So, how is this course organized, sir?
We will have small lectures of hard political concepts simplified in about 2 to 3 minutes. You must watch all lectures, because they are dependent on each other. So are you ready to rock and roll?
Yes, sir, we are really excited to be a part of this series and learn what political science really is and how it is studied.
But wait. You must know how to and where to watch these videos and lectures?
Exactly, sir. So, sir, where we can find and watch this course?
You can watch these lectures or videos at our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel to watch these videos.
Oh, sir, that's so easy. We will do it right now.
Our YouTube channel's name is Computer Geek. Please subscribe there and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates instantly.
Please subscribe to Computer Geek on YouTube and hit the bell icon.